Yeah, welcome back. In this video series, we're going to see how to create the residual Bouguer anomaly raster map from the gravity data. Follow the similar process. On the ArcGIS, come to File, Add Data. Click on this yellow, go back, go under Gravity, Data, then BA Res, ArcGIS Data, then set this one to Z, Edit, 31, then OK. Then OK. OK. Allow it to load. So this is the gravity. It's now loading it. Of course, we're not going to do the gravity because the geology of the area is just one part, which is actually a metamorphic rocks area. And where we have igneous rocks, we have a sedimentary, a metamorphic. Then we're able to now to also do a raster of those layers so that we can incorporate them. But since it's just a uniform metamorphic rocks within the study area, which you have seen the geological map of the study area, so there is no need for us to do the geology integration here. We're only going to work with the heat flow, the radiogenic heat production, and that of the gravity anomaly. Then feature to raster. Let's first off this part, feature to raster. Then select this part. Then this is Z. Then the environment, processing extent, store the area. Then OK. Then OK. Make sure you select this field, the Z field. Very important. If you didn't select it there, you end up just plotting a grid point, not the value at each grid point. That's why it's like Z. That is a third value. That is the value at each grid point. The grid point has the X and Y. And at each grid point, then you have the value. That value is Z. That's why we select Z. What we are doing, just like to produce those grids we have in OS montage back into ArcGIS. But in ArcGIS, we now use raster. So we don't have a grid here. You see it's raster or shapefile. Used mainly in ArcGIS. Now when it's loaded, let me go to data management tools. Click under raster. There are raster processing. There I'm going to select resample later to change the size to that of 30. Wait to finish. Wait for it to finish. Very close. Like I said, we're not going to use the geology raster here because that's the one uniform type of rocks we have. Okay, this is what we have. It's the gravity. Now resample. This features this one. Then now change the cells to 30 by 30. Make sure you do that. Then this one, select this one. Then BA raster .tif. Then save. Then OK. So that's been done. The always want to remove. Then click on this. Change the color to this anyway if you want to use. Okay, so this is what we have. Now we can break the other one, raster. The lineaments raster to the glue, then click on this. So we got all of them in one place. Okay, that is it. You can see them. Can now minimize them. So all of them are the 4. Same size. Click on this. You see source 30. Source 30 cell size, same thing. 8 flow. So I start, you see the 8 flow. It's 30 by 30. So this is what we have. Then we can now save this one. Go to the main one. ArcGIS project. Raster images. All our raster images are here. Block them and the rest. So save them here. So this is how we do all the rasters for the 4 which you have seen.